Hello YouTube, Nathan. Today I'd like to tell you a little project that I'm going to be doing. Actually making a Dalek CO2 gun, also known as a cryo gun. Now, this is going to be, this video is going to be a test of if I have my plumbing correct. Once I do, I'm going to be making more tests with different size CO2 containers. First one is going to be a small CO2 cartridge which fits inside an adapter that fits onto a paintball gun. The next size up will be one of these. CO2 3.2 ounce. Also with an adapter for paintball guns. The next size up is an actual paintball tank. Let's see. Where's the? I can actually see how many ounces this tank is. 12 ounces, I think that's what it says on there. And the next size up will be one of these big suckers. I'm not quite sure how many ounces of CO2 is in that one. I can't actually see any ounce sign on it, other than it says 4,500 psi. Now I will be connecting these various CO2 cartridges, canisters, bottles, whatever, to an extension, paintball line extension that goes to various fittings, which I got from a paintball prank video. I adapted this one so I could be able to put a spray gun on it. I am going to be putting a handle on this thing because when I did my test, it was cold. Got this idea from Hacksmith. Hopefully it works. Upside down. That was all that was in this tank when I did the test. Anyway, once I got everything together, all the tanks filled and the CO2 cartridges, buy some CO2 cartridges for this test. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for that other video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for further notifications of upcoming videos. If you have any ideas for a project, or you'd like to help a project, go to my Patreon page and comment your idea, and also donate to help other projects along. More images on this particular project can be found on DeviantArt, and information can be found on TARDISbuilders.com.